National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monona County, northern Burt County, northeastern Cumming County, Thurston County, southeastern Wayne County until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds of 65 miles per hour or higher. This storm was located near Emerson, or 25 miles southwest of Sioux City, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Winnebago, Bender, Wallkill, Bancroft, Macy, Lyons, Decatur, Thurston, the Highway 9 and 51 junction in Rosalie. The warned area includes Highway 77 in Nebraska between mile markers 147 and 169. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or business. Heavy rain can quickly flood roads, so do not drive into areas